Got one right overhead. Right overhead.
That's a link.
Yeah, it's another one of these things. You have to turn around, hopefully I don't lose it. Turning around because it's going past overhead. So that's why it's moving so much. Okay, now I'm still. It's moving. It's jerking back and forth. It's another one of these things, so there are multiples. Jerking again, look at it go past that star right now. So bright. Constant light. And from the naked eye perspective, it doesn't look like it's moving. When you zoom in, you can see it just went up, down, up, side, down. I'm not doing that. That's going towards the rising sun. Constant light. Same flippy legs and whatnot. Just went down. Yeah, it's moving. I'm going to zoom out to show the perspective and show how far away it is. Can't even see it with, well, I can see with the naked eye, but it's quite far in the distance. Going slowly. There's a plane it's heading in the other direction. It's still going, just slowly along in the sky. There it is, right there. So there's multiples, because I just saw another one on a different path. Off into the distance. Still kind of see it. Yeah, it's still moving, still jerking around like that, but anyway, off it goes. It's taken more than 2 minutes from overhead, and we just saw another one flash going north-northeast to south-southwest. It flashed and disappeared too, so crazy.